University of Wales. This is Canary Wharf. Okay. So this is my outfit for today. Next week will be our last day to go to uni, and then February back. So almost 1.5 months. Yep. So I will be not so busy. Canary Wharf. Kaso lang. Dog lang. Dog. PLR. It's cold. What's new in England? It's always cold. Alright. Have to go inside. It's cold. So this is the tallest place. Wow. Look. Merry Christmas.
I'm lucky you don't have to.
Nice. Zara cartoons, and this is another nice place here. The fountain, youth of fountain. Oh, fountain of youth. Sorry. I interchanged the words. So fountain of youth. No, I'm just kidding. Oh the gods. Oh, I like the Christmas tree. It's big. Wow, it's pretty. I love it. Oh my God. Even the lightning. Oh. How many Christmas trees? 1, 2, 3, 4. Really? 4. And then the side. Opposite the side. Good. This is the fountain of youth. I'm just kidding. Just joking. But it can be a fountain of youth. Why not try it? It's very cold water. Look how pretty. Oh, this is pretty when it's night time. Oh, tonight it will be pretty. Like me. Okay, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.